Hi, I'm Luis. Welcome to NearHub Academy. Today, I'm going to walk you through some examples of how to use EShare to realize a screencast with your NearHub board. EShare is a third-party application that's free to use, and it's a great option if you don't have AirPlay or Chromecast and want to share your screen on your board. Okay, you can find EShare by searching in your App Store or the link below this video. So you are able to download EShare for the particular device, such as Chrome, Android, Windows, and iOS, and so on. Now let's take a look at how this looks. So on my computer here, I have EShare downloaded. And I also need to confirm the computer is in the same Wi-Fi network, and then I can just hit here, share screen, and it's going to cast from my computer onto the board. The best part about EShare is that some of other casting options don't have is the ability to touch back. So that means I can control my computer simply by touching the board, which is pretty cool. Another way you can use EShare is for remote. So if you have EShare on your iPhone, you can connect onto the board, and you can also use it as a remote. Whether you want to use this to click on something or want to bring out third-party apps. If I want to start a remote meeting, I can open up Zoom. I can use the remote or the keyboard to sign in and joining the remote meeting right now. So that's it for my NearHub Academy. Thanks for joining and wishing you a happy journey with NearHub.